Ever felt like your student loans are swallowing you whole, and your ramen budget is mysteriously shrinking faster than a black hole? You're not alone. Budgeting can feel like a four-letter word when you're juggling classes, part-time jobs, and trying to maintain a semblance of a social life. But what if I told you there's a budgeting tool specifically designed to help students like you? Enter YNAB, or you need a budget. But here's the burning question: how long does this magical budgeting unicorn stay free for students? Stick around, because we're about to dive deep into the sweet nectar of free YNAB and how to make the most of it. YNAB, unlike many budgeting apps that rely on gimmicks and flashy features, focuses on a proven method, giving every dollar a job. This means you're not just tracking your spending, you're actively deciding where every single penny goes. Rent? Groceries? That impulsive coffee run? Each dollar gets assigned a purpose, ensuring your money works for you, not the other way around. And the best part? YNAB offers a generous free trial for students. Now, let's get down to the nitty-gritty. How long is YNAB free for students? The good news is that YNAB offers a 34-day free trial to all new users, students included. This gives you ample time to explore the platform, get familiar with the YNAB method, and see if it's the right fit for your financial situation. But here's the catch: the 34-day trial is for all new users, not just students. So, while it's a fantastic opportunity to test the waters, it's not a dedicated student-only free period. So, how do you make the most of your 34-day trial? Jump right in, don't let fear of commitment hold you back. Download the app or access the web version and start exploring. The intuitive interface makes it easy to get started, even if you're a budgeting newbie. Embrace the YNAB method. Take the time to understand the core principles of giving every dollar a job. Watch the free training videos provided by YNAB. They're short, informative, and will give you a solid foundation. Track every dollar. Be honest with yourself about your spending habits. Track every single expense, no matter how small. This will give you valuable insights into where your money is actually going. Set realistic goals, whether it's saving for that dream vacation, paying off student loans, or simply building an emergency fund. Set clear and achievable financial goals. Don't be afraid to ask for help. The YNAB community is incredibly supportive. Join their online forums or attend a free workshop to connect with other users and get your questions answered. What happens after the 34-day trial? After your free trial ends, you'll need to subscribe to continue using YNAB. While there's no dedicated free for students plan, here's a potential workaround. Explore subscription options. YNAB offers different subscription plans to suit various budgets. Consider a monthly or annual subscription. Look for student discounts. While YNAB may not have a specific student discount, it's always worth checking their website or contacting their customer support to see if any promotions or special offers are available. Consider a free trial for a different tool. If YNAB doesn't fit your budget or needs, explore other budgeting tools that offer free plans for students, such as Mint or Personal Capital. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.